Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, ADV with me. Here in front of me I have the 2017 DRZ400E. I've had the bike for about 2 months now and have started to do a few mods just to make it a bit more adventure friendly. So as you know, the bike comes stock with a little tool bag which sits on the rear fender here and is just mounted into the subframe. They should all look sort of something like this. I'm not going to tell you to suck eggs, just take that off. Just 2 bolts which go into the subframe here at the rear and get it all prepped and ready to put the luggage rack on. So the luggage rack I ended up going with, I got this off AliExpress. It's a powder coated aluminium luggage rack. It's got all the pre-drilled sections here for any RotopaX accessories, which is good, and plenty of cutouts here to put your luggage through, or straps to keep everything nice and tight. So what you get in the box is the powder coated luggage rack, and you get some hardware, some mounting bolts with some stainless spacers. So they're for the 2 rear, which go where the tool bag was, and you get these which just go into the side of the bike here at the back, which hold the seat down. Anyways, we'll get into it and we'll start attaching it onto the bike, and I'll take you through the steps. Have all your bolts removed, so remove 1, 2 here. You should be able to make your seat free, and then leave the mounting holes here at the back ready to go. We're just going to start here on the seat. The reason why we start here is so then once it's in, you can lift the rack up, and then you can put the spacers and all the mounting hardware in the back here and essentially just lay it down and then tighten it from the bottom. We're going to use the longer screw for this one, the longer spacer, and we've got a washer as well. So we want the washer just on the outside here. I'm going to put this long one through, and then the spacer. So we'll start over here. It's a little bit of a knack to get it all aligned, but once you do, it's pretty straightforward. So we'll just screw this in, get it finger tight, like so, and then we'll come around and we'll do the other side here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just tighten up either bolt on the side of the seat here. Don't do them too tight, just get them enough so it's going to not move around too much. Okay, so then we'll start on the back here. Same thing with the other bolts. You've got the screw, the spacer, tiny washer just here, and of course a nut which goes to the bottom of the subframe. So should be in this order: screw, spacer, like so. Wriggle it down, should just go through. Then underneath we'll finish it off with the washer, then the nut. Go underneath here, just put the washer on, and the nut, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Like so. We've got our Allen key. Just a 10mm for the nut on the bottom. And then we're just going to tighten it. Okay. And we'll just go back to this one. Like so. It's tight enough. And then we'll just finish off this one. So that wraps up the luggage rack installation. As you could see, it was pretty straightforward, but there were no instructions in the box, so I thought I'll put together a quick video just showing you how it all goes on the bike. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality. As I said, AliExpress, quick delivery, 85 bucks AUD. I noticed on YouTube there weren't any videos for this particular rack, the installation and sort of I guess, a bit of a review on it. So yeah, I thought I'd throw one up. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting one yourself. But overall, look, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. There'll be plenty more videos in the future coming up with you know, a few other bits and pieces that I'll be doing to the bike. Once again, thanks again for watching. Cheers.